Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide your Bumble profile. To hide a Bumble profile, first you need to make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. Here, you need to click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, click on the settings gear, which is at top right corner of your screen. Now, you can see many options here. There, you can find incognito mode. By enabling incognito mode, no one can see you unless you want them to. Only people you swipe right on will be able to view your profile. After that, toggle this button on. Now, click on Turn on Incognito Mode. After that, you need to have the premium version. Now, you can choose any one of these premium for 1 week, 1 month, 3 months or lifetime. After that, click on Get 1 week for the amount. After purchasing the premium, you can enable the incognito mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.